Hello, this is Sherline of Kathanika. The story I have for you is called The Wolf and the Lamb. Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a shepherd. The shepherd had a large flock of sheep. There was the mummy sheep, the ewes, the daddy sheep, the rams, and the baby sheep, the lambs. Every day, the shepherd took his flock of sheep to graze on the hills on the edge of the forest. The forest was full of wild animals who loved eating sheep. There were the wild dogs and the ferocious cats, but the cunning of them all was the big bad wolf. The shepherd said to his flock, "Now listen here. We are going to graze on the hill. Be careful, all of you. You must all stay together, because in the forest there are wild animals. You must especially beware of the big bad wolf. He is cunning, he is mean, so stick together and stay safe." The flock of sheep nodded, and off they went, bleating happily under the watchful eye of the shepherd and his dog. When they reached the hill, the sheep began nibbling on the grass and bushes and got busy eating hungrily. The shepherd looked around to make sure all the sheep were together. He looked towards the forest to see if the big bad wolf was around. When he was sure his flock was safe, the shepherd and his dog settled down under a tree to rest. In the flock of sheep, there was a little lamb called Munchkin. Now, Munchkin was a playful little lamb. Munchkin was a smart lamb, but Munchkin was a fussy eater. Munchkin liked to eat the soft, sweet, fresh grass. Munchkin nibbled only the very tender grass shoots off the bush, and when it was all gone, she moved to the next clump. Munchkin was busy nibbling on the sweet grass when she saw another beautiful patch of soft grass ahead. It looked so delicious, so Munchkin ambled over to nibble the grass ahead. While Munchkin was nibbling that patch of soft grass, she saw yet another patch of delicious-looking shoots. "Oh, that clump there looks so much tender." Munchkin went further, and thus, without realizing what was happening, little by little, Munchkin had drifted away from the big flock of sheep, until Munchkin was nibbling the soft grass all by herself on a small hillock. Unknown to the shepherd and the flock of sheep, in the forest a pair of hungry eyes were keenly watching. It was the big bad wolf. The big bad wolf was eagerly watching the sheep, and imagine his joy when he saw little Munchkin drifting away all alone, munching the soft grass by herself on the hillock. A set of white teeth gleamed in delight. The greedy wolf smiled to himself. "There is my breakfast. Let me go and get it." Slowly, under cover of the bushes, the big bad wolf crept closer and closer and closer to the little lamb until he was standing right beside Munchkin. Munchkin was unaware. She was having a good time nibbling the soft, sweet grass. Yum, yum. It was so tasty. When suddenly, Munchkin looked up right into the face of the big bad wolf. The wolf looked down at Munchkin and smiled. Munchkin had to think fast. "Oh, Uncle Wolf, you scared me. What do you want?" You, said the sly wolf. You look fat and delicious, and now I'm going to eat you for my breakfast. Munchkin was terrified. She had to think to save herself. She bravely smiled. Oh, Uncle Wolf, yes, you can eat me if you please. But if you eat me now, my flesh will be all rubbery and bitter. But I've just been eating some soft, sweet grass, and if you will allow me some time to digest it, my meat will be tender and sweet. The big bad wolf listened to what the lamb had to say and thought to himself, Ah, I don't want to eat any rubbery, bitter meat. No, I want to eat sweet meat, all right. Okay, lamb, I'm going to wait for some time. So there sat the wolf watching the little lamb. The wolf looked here and the wolf looked there, and the wolf asked the lamb, Is it time yet? Can I eat you? No, not yet, Uncle Wolf. Just a little time more, said Munchkin, trying to think fast. So the wolf looked here, and the wolf looked there, and the wolf looked up, and the wolf looked down. The wolf was getting anxious. Is it time yet? Can I eat you now? Munchkin said, Oh, no, Uncle Wolf. A little while more. The food is still digesting. The wolf looked here and the wolf looked there. The wolf looked up and the wolf looked down and the wolf looked sideways. And then the big bad wolf, who was getting pretty impatient, asked the lamb, Are you ready? Is it time? I'm really hungry and I want to eat you. Munchkin had to think fast. She looked at the flock of sheep. They were all far away. She looked at the shepherd and the dog. They were sitting under the tree, unaware of the danger. If only they looked in her direction. Then Munchkin had a plan. Aloud she said, Oh, Uncle Wolf, I am digesting my food. But if you want me to digest it faster, I have a plan. You see this bell that I'm wearing around my neck? It has magic in it. If you ring it and I dance, the grass will digest quickly in my tummy. The sooner the grass digests, the sweeter my meat will become, and then you can eat me, Uncle Wolf. The wolf, who was quite impatient by now, thought this was a good plan. So the wolf took the bell and he began ringing it. Ding dong, ding dong, and little Munchkin began dancing. Munchkin looked in the direction of the shepherd and the dog, hoping that the ringing of the bell would alert them. But the shepherd was unaware and the dog seemed to be asleep. Uncle Wolf, a little louder, said Munchkin, dancing. The foolish wolf shook the bell and rang it harder. Ding dong, da-dum doo-dum, ding dong, da-dum doom. The sound of the bell carried over the hills. The shepherd heard it. He looked in the direction of the sound. The shepherd could hardly believe his eyes. He saw the strangest thing ever. There was the big bad wolf ringing the bell for all he was worth. And there, what was that? The shepherd rubbed his eyes. There was Munchkin the lamb dancing. The shepherd gave a yell and ran up the hill. The wolf was so engrossed ringing the bell, he did not hear the shepherd and the dog coming up from behind him. Was he super surprised when all of a sudden a nice whack landed on his back and a set of teeth bit into his butt. Yipes! Yelled the wolf and ran off into the forest as fast as he could. And little Munchkin, well, she was saved. Now, wasn't that a smart little lamb? I hope you liked the story. To listen to more stories, do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.